Now you can actually make money either by starting a business or by selling a product or service. You cannot start a business, you can sell a product or service. Even if you don't have money for a product, you can sell a service, selling other people's products. These are ways you can make money with no money down. But let me start with the number one, which has to do with selling a product or service. You don't have any amount of money, but if you are good at selling, if you don't have any amount of capital but you are good at selling, you can make money with it. In the last speaking engagement I had like 2 days ago in a particular organization, religious organization, I was telling the attendees that if you see someone that does not have money, it's either they doesn't have a product that they are selling or they don't know how to sell. So number one thing for you to do is to identify, if you don't have any money to start a business, begin to look at a product that you can sell. Let's assume other products that you can sell and make money from commission. These are businesses that can help you make money fast. If there is no money down, okay, what is that product that I can sell that I will get commission? When I started e-commerce business, I was selling. At some point I started selling for commission. In fact, I started selling for commission. Yes, I collect the product from the personnel. Some of them I buy. Then at a point, the person selling was like, "Financial Power, why don't you put other products like this?" I said, "I don't have the money to buy them. Don't worry, put it. If there's any order, I'll give it to you to go sell." That's what the distributor said. So I was like, okay, no problem. And when I placed it online, because I could sell, I got buyers, and then he gave it to me on credit, and I sold it. Maybe the one is selling for 10,000 naira, I sell for 12,000 naira, I make 2,000 naira profit. That was how I was able to save up my capital to start selling my own product. So if you can sell, you will always have money with you. So if you don't have capital to start now, look at the products that you can sell that will make you additional money in terms of commission. In fact, at some point, a particular electronics company wanted to employ me. I said, "No, don't give me salary, give me commission." They were like, "We're going to be paying you like 100k or 60k or 70k. I can't remember. This was like about 6 years ago. And I said, "No, don't give me salary. Let me sell and make money on commission," because I knew I could sell. The CEO was a wise man. He said, "No, we will not give you commission. We will give you salary." And I know that if you are selling this iPhone for 1 million naira as an instance, I can sell it for 1.1 million. I give the company 1 million, I get 100,000 naira. And I can sell 10 of it. So I will make over 1 million than me sticking to, let's say, 250,000 naira constant salary. I sell or I don't sell. But because I have confidence in myself that I can sell, I could say I want commission. There are some people with the experience in working with people. If you tell them, which do you want? Do you want commission or do you want salary? 99% will say they want salary because they cannot sell. They know that if I don't deliver, I will get salary. Ogata, ogauta. How did they always say it in Yoruba? So that is not it. If you want to make money, you must learn how to sell. Sell a product or sell other people's products. Sell a product or sell other people's product. This is very important in order for you to do what? In order for you to make money without money. Another thing you can do, if you must make money without money, start rendering services that does not need money for you to render them. You can render these services either online. You can provide a skill, digital marketing skill. Remember what I said, what you know determines how far you go. Start learning digital skills like digital marketing skills, content creating skills. There's someone that is creating content for a particular company and they are paying the person on a monthly basis. Just imagine you can create content in the area of finance, and in this current industrial age we are in, content is very easy to create with the use of AI and a number of things. You can create content, edit it, put your experience, and then it becomes a full-fledged content. So it could be in the area of content creation, it could be in the area of digital marketing, it could be in the area of social media marketing, it could be in the area of graphics design, it could be in the area of data analyst, it could be in the area of machine learning. So many things you can learn and you can do for people without paying any money. Look for a skill that resonates with you, that you like, or that shows that you have interest in. Learn it, and after learning it, start offering that skills to people. Like for me, there is a particular business I call that a consultation business. I don't need any money to start. All I just need is people who are interested in consulting. Maybe they need guidance in a business, and because over the years I've been giving free consultation. People reach out to me on YouTube, I want to start this business. I'll take my time, explain to them, they will make money. Then after a while I began to think, this is also a business opportunity. You have to pay a fee for me to do what? For me to give you this free consultation. So I began to attach some fee. Why? Because I want to save the people that are serious and the people that are not serious. People that just want to get something and then they might not even take action, just for the purpose of, let me chat to this person. So, but when I say, okay, this business, this is how it looks, this is how it is, pay for my consultation, and then they pay, I'm like, interesting. So all this while I've been doing free, meaning there are people who value my information and are ready to pay. So sometimes, even if you don't have any money, begin to look at something that you have within yourself that people are ready to pay, and start pushing it on your social media. Push it on Instagram. Design a flyer. You can go on Canva and design a flyer within 1 minute. It will be professional. You don't need a graphic designer. You can go on Canva. You can go on Poster My Wall. Years back, I was designing with Poster My Wall, my business, my YouTube channel, Canva and Poster My Wall. And I used that to make a lot of sales. When I wanted to do my seminars, I go to Poster My Wall. PosterMyWall.com is actually a design site that you can get free designs. All you just need to do is to click one that you like, edit it, just put your name and put the write-up. It will carry the same graphics that it has from the previous, and then you download it. So this was some of the things that I did that required me no money down. All I just need to do is to design and upload online. Tell people to sign up for my mentorship section. Tell people to sign up for my classes, and then tell people to sign up for this and that. And I was able to make money from that. So if you don't have any money, we should begin to look at businesses that will require zero money, and this comes from offering a service. I know this thing, and that is why you have to start thinking of attending trainings and seminars. Because when you pay for a seminar, there are seminars that I've worked in, the cost of attending is 500,000 naira is a day. That one is real estate seminar, paid seminar. There are some that I've worked in is 100,000. There are some that I've worked in is 50k, and I had to pay the money. Just 1 day class. And guess what? What gives me motivation is after that day I will never pay that money again, and the information will be with me for life. So it's wise to train yourself, to develop yourself, to attend trainings, to read books, to go on online seminars and pay if necessary, if need be, pay and get yourself informed. Once you pay that money, you can never pay again. The information will be with you for the rest of your life. Other money will come to you later on. So what I advise is to learn skills. It might not be digital skills. It might be handwork skills. It could be craft. It could be teaching skills. You could teach, and then you bring it online. You create a course. What have you? There are so many skills that people can do that does not require money. If you know of some of these skills, please put in the comment section. Let's comment in the comment section. Like this video also, and also subscribe. I teach and train people on money, finance, investment. Till I come your way again, I am Financial Paul. Remain business conscious. Click this video to join me in this next video. Have a great day. Bye.